In this video, let's take a look at event modifiers. Let's jump into an example. In the templates, I'm gonna define a form. And we'll have a button. To submit the form. And in the form, let's define the action attribute. I'm gonna post this form to Google, and I'm gonna specify the method as get. Now if I save the component and then head over to the browser, let's clear that up. And now if I submit this form, it will take me to the Google website. I'm gonna listen to the click event of this button, and I'm gonna handle that in my own method called onSubmit. Let's define a method. Now before submitting this form, if I want to do some modification or do some validation, I need to tell the browser not to submit. So that means I need to change the behavior of the browser. We normally do this by using the event.preventDefault function. How do we get access to the onClick event? Well, because we have given the name of the method, in the method definition we can simply put event, and this is the type of pointer event. Prevent default. If I save this, now if I click on the submit button, it shouldn't take me to Google. Let's try console logging the event. Clear the console, submit. Now we can see the event getting logged here. This would be the normal way we would do this, but there's a better way, which brings me to event modifiers. We can simply remove this event prevent default function call and add some modifiers to the varn directive. So we can say dot prevent and save. Going back to the browser, we can see if I click on the submit button, it should not take me to Google, but we can see the pointer event getting logged here. We can also say prevent also stop the event bubbling up. We can do that by adding .stop. So we can chain modifiers, and you should be aware of the order that these modifiers get executed. The order matters. First you prevent and then you stop the event bubbling. Save and try that again, so it does not redirect me to Google. That is it for this short video. Have a good one.